हेलो व्यूअर्स, हेलो लर्नर्स, हेलो इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स एंड हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते। आज का टॉपिक है एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस कन्वर्ट करना। We will go to our first sentence. Hanuman killed Airavana. Airavana the demon was killed by Hanuman. So, how will we change this into passive voice? Airavana is our object. Hanuman is the subject. पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है. Airavana was killed by Hanuman. रामा broke पिनाका. रामा broke पिनाका, शिव धनुष को राम जी ने तोड़कर सीता मैया से शादी किया. रामा broke पिनाका and so he got married to सीता. So now पिनाका is our object. पहले पिनाका को सब्जेक्ट प्लेस में ले लेते हैं. पिनाका was broken by Rama and so he got married to Sita. Pinaka was broken because it is broke is in the past tense. Next sentence is Hanuman is burning Lanka. अरे ये क्या हुआ? Hanuman is burning Lanka. Now this is in the present continuous tense. Remember, this is grammar class and we can say any sentence in any tense. It makes sense, and it also makes sense for your kind information. Dear viewers, you all know that Ramayana and Mahabharata are going on here for so many times. Remember the Kakabushundi story? Yes, the Hanuman ji is always there in all the Ramayana, right? So imagine ourselves in the next coming Ramayana, or we imagine ourselves in the Ramayana now. And who knows, we may have witnessed many Ramayanas also. So whatever, let's come back to our grammar class. Hanuman is burning Lanka. Lanka is being burnt by Hanuman. ing form burning, अभी चल रहा है. So we have to use being instead of Hanuman. We should say ing. Lanka is being burnt, the third form of the past participle form of the verb burnt by Hanuman. The last sentence, Kanha will break the butter pots. अभी क्या हुआ? टेंस क्या है? Will break. फ्यूचर टेंस, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में है. इसको हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में ही पैसिव वॉइस बनाना है. The pots will be broken by Kanha. The butter pots will be broken by Kanha. This is how we make the passive voice without changing the tense and without changing the meaning. Meaning change कब हो जाता है? When we don't care for the verbs in between. Remember, I'll give you the example. The boy broke the glass. The boys broke the glass. So the glass broke the boys हो जाएगा. ये गलत हुआ ना? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज करने से करने के बाद बीच में जो वर्ब आता है उसका करेक्ट फॉर्म पे रखना है, तभी हमारा सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल होगा. And I want to tell you one more thing before closing this class. What happens is sometimes the door is shut, the food is cooked. Okay, so in such sentences, the food is the object. There is no doer. The food is cooked. Actually, mother cooked the food, and food is cooked by mother or by me. Sometimes by me, by mother. Such words can be omitted. Subjects can be omitted because it is of no meaning. So we do that sometimes, and everybody knows who is the subject is. So when it is known to everyone and it is meaningless to mention the subject, we will just say it in a passive voice, keeping the object word in the first. I hope this is of some help for you to learn English. Thank you.